Okay, Laura, what is your chosen career?
Teacher,
Why did you choose this career?
because I love to teach students.
What are responsibilities of this career?
Teach students
What tools or equipment are used in this career?
whiteboard, marker, and book.
Where does this person work?
School,
Okay, Imran, what is your chosen career?
astronaut,
Why did you choose this career?
because I love this career.
What are the responsibilities of this career?
Keeping the planet is safe.
What tools or equipment are used in this career?
Oxygen and rocket
Where does this person work?
at the space station.
What is your chosen career?
Is painter,
Why did you choose this career?
because I love to draw.
What are the responsibilities of this career?
To protect art.
What tools or equipment are used in this career?
Brush and color.
Where does this person work?
To office.